Hello, today I want to show you how easy is category mapping on Wise2Sync. So, you log into your account, go to My Categories tab, and you already know that on your shop you have a category tab, Home Appliance, Small Domestic Kitchen Appliances. So, in label, you write the name of category you want. In ID, we recommend to use numbers. Later, this ID you can use as category ID. A priority you leave the same, and you press create. Here your category will create. Now you can go to supplier categories, and here you can see all your suppliers, and you also see categories coming from them. So if you have, you can find your category here. So if you created kitchen appliances, you can map your category here. Easily, and that's it. And you map your category. Categories are different for different platforms and different integrations. So, for example, for some platforms as WooCommerce, category ID is important because this ID you need to get from your shop. For others, it doesn't matter, but we still recommend to have category ID by number. And name depends also on what you have on your shop.